Lights, camera, action. I cannot teach you how to make a light or a camera, but I can teach you how to bring the action to those lips and make them spooky and glittery for Halloween. Because believe it or not, glitter is not just reserved for the Christmas time. First, apply a lip primer. This is just to make the lips smoother and for the liquid lipstick to glide on more easily for them to feel more comfortable. First of all, apply the black liquid lipstick to the outer corner of your lips. Make sure you try to keep that outer border neat and fill in the corners. After that, with the same wand, blend the black slightly inwards to be creating your future ombre. Fill in the inner part with a purple liquid lipstick. Oh, such a Halloween combo, isn't it? Leaving a slight gap between the black and the purple, which is where you are going to blend with the purple lipstick wand. And if you're liking the tutorial so far, feel free to give it a thumbs up and help it spread to more people to get more spooky lips for Halloween. Blending is a little bit tedious. It takes a little bit of time. However, it's not difficult at all. If you feel like you've blended too much somewhere, just add a little bit more of purple lipstick. You can easily do so with liquid lipsticks. Now we can notice that the lip line is not completely perfect. You can just carve it a little bit with a flat angled brush and a foundation. Just don't forget to blend the foundation into the skin so that you get a nice picture. Get yourself a glitter, preferably a dark and a hollow one, a clean brush, and start tapping it into the liquid lipstick. If you want the glitter to be more densely packed, you want to use a glitter primer after the liquid lipstick dries and before applying the glitter. If you want the lipstick to show through a good deal like it does here, then just apply it over a liquid lipstick, or if the liquid lipstick dries completely down to matte and you cannot apply glitter over it, it does not stick, then just use a chapstick instead of a glitter primer. If you feel like leaving something like a super thanks, you can easily do so by tipping me in the tip jar linked in the description box. You can use a clean spoolie to remove any loose glitters that you might have had as a fallout. This really helps with not taking your foundation off, and if you feel like this looks sparkly, just wait till you see the lips out of focus. This is something out of this world, and this is exactly how the lips look in real life because the camera never does the holo glitter justice. And I recommend watching this playlist next for more Halloween makeup ideas. Thanks for being here. See you around.